That's the longest we need. Yeah. We're definitely getting canceled. But that should be enough to reach, right?
Oh, look at the tires I got though.
Let me see.
Bro, I thought it was like we pulled up to the Craig and Ranch, bro.
You know, I've owned the car for almost like 2 years, and this is my first time doing a spark plug change. That should be okay, right?
Well, you don't need to change them every time, bro. This should last like 100,000. With some old dude, bro.
Let me see these.
A red C250. Bro, almost new. Guess how much?
How much?
$100.
$100?
With the rims.
Damn, bro, that's not even bad. And this one the whole day?
One has a plug, and then he said he didn't know how they got that. It looks tiny though.
I'd put that one in the rear. You know what I mean?
These two are.
Sheesh. Wait, don't you have the same wheels?
Nah, not these. I have the 5-spoke. These are split.
You like these better?
Low key, they look good.
You came up. You for sure came up for $100. I'd look to need some tires, bro.
Amigo tire right here.
Is Champ here? Because I want him to do a review on this car for all the hating people on YouTube.
Oh!
You good. Alright. So where do we start?
10 now.
Hit that 10?
And a vice grip, nigga, so this shit don't fall.
Good look finding one in there, bro. I'll be struggling. Can't wait to put that bumper. And I need some bumper brackets too. Damn. Bumper bracket, hood hinges, her latch. What else? The center one looks good. Yeah, it looks pretty straight. How many spark plugs have you done on the VQ?
I don't know if you lose track once you do a lot of cars, you know.
You would say you're an expert at it at this point?
It's regular maintenance.
This will be my first time learning. Oh, you gotta take off the intake too? Damn, Tony. Wait, I think I left the spark plug at the crib.
I knew you were gonna say that shit, nigga. I knew you.
They think I'm joking, but I think I'm being for real. Oh, never mind. Dude, they've been in this car for like at least a month. I just haven't had time, I'm telling you.
Those are ass, nigga.
For real? Denzos. I heard NGKs are like the best one, but these are like what, OEMs?
Those are OEM. Any spark plug that has the most iridium is the best one.
So like this one has iridium. Muy bueno. Let's go. Piece of cake. So far we took off the intakes. We really gotta invest in some impact guns.
I don't like impacts. He said so his hands still work when he's older. You know, it's like you're gonna hit shit when you try to turn it.
It's hella tiny or what?
Smaller one.
So far what did we use? 10mm to take off the cover?
Yeah, 96.
It looks like an extended 10 for the intakes on this side. On both sides. This is gonna be a DIY, how to do a spark plug on a G37. This is the one right here? There you go, 5mm. Damn, they're pretty long. I did not know they were this long. Damn. 5mm Allen key. So it's not necessary for it to be taken off?
But it is, so you have more space, more coolant and everything. But with this in the way, I can't go straight down like that.
And what is that, a 10mm?
Yeah.
So 10mm, get them loose. 5mm for the throttle body. 10mm for that. And then 10mm for this. So just 3 of them on each side, and it's good to go. It's just a 14 long then? Well, all those downshifts I was doing. Out with the old, going in with the new.
He's
Gotta wait till the elbow clicks.
You know if these are already gapped? They should be there all the way out.
Yeah. Imagine it would have went straight into them. Hey man, what are you recording?
It's for my mom.
Oh.
She's
Mama.
She's like, where's my fucking car? Tripping.
Dude, I need to throw the consies back on these. Look at this, guys. Came all the way down here for some tools. But look how I made it all the way over here. Damn! Tires is bald. This one's actually pretty good. Hopefully I can make it home. But I do need to buy some tires. Hopefully I buy them today.
Look, now we can plug this one back in. It's not in the way no more.
Go.
Pull that off?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Remember this side's done.
Just like that. Torque to spec.
Wow, that one feel hella tight, but the rest don't.
Which one?
The rest feel like they can keep going, but they're tight. Oh, you good on that one. Look, those feel like they could keep going. Oh, scary. That one's cool.
Slap the coil packs back in.
They're all on it.
Oh shit, you got them on here. Head ass.
You ain't gotta disconnect that.
Heli.
Nah, that's that one. That's that one.
No, this one is this one.
Oh, you're right.
Oops. That's a greasy ass.
Yeah,
Wow.
so valve cover leak, dog. You need that.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's a common thing.
VQ shit. Oh.
I'm gonna name this description of this video exclusive G37 spark plug
Don't
change.
put that in there.
Exclusive.
Don't put that in.
She tuned in though. That's all we care
I
about.
told her, I was like, follow that. She's like, alright.
Let's go.
One more follower.
There you go, Tom. Oh yeah. So who want to do the honor to turn it on real quick?
She don't start no more. Oh, it took the car apart. Now it don't start.
And just like that, you do some spark plug, guys. It literally felt like what, 30 minutes? That was legitness. But yeah, guys, spark plug. Now we're gonna do a cold start. Hopefully we don't hear no.
Hey, where does this go?
That's my camera.
Hey, no G in Vegas got all 5 bolts though. Oh yeah.
That's true. Look, OEM.
They got
No missing bolts here. Nowhere. Maybe a missing bumper, but no missing bolt on the engine part.
Hey, listen, get on your head. Right there.
They were gonna comment hella quick like, oh, you got a missing bumper, bro.
Sir, have you looked at your G? Show that one.
But other than that, we are done. Let's try and do the honor to turn it on because I want to hear it.
Yeah, motherfucker. Oh man, check me out already. You better redline that whole shit.
No, don't let it on.
The gas.
Relax.
You gotta bump. What is it? Key bump. Bah. Red line. Oh shit.
Whoa. Whoa. That shit sounds real healthy. Rev it one more time. For sure broke the sound barrier. But yeah, guys, that's how you do a spark plug. Make sure to grab yourself some friends so they could do it for you and you just record the whole time. I want to say a big thank you to my guys right here. Trendsetter, my boy Isaac. Literally just spectated, had them do it.
Straight rim job.
Yo, sir, are you aware your tires like this?
Huh?
Are you aware your tires on the rim?
What's wrong with my tires?
I know you good.